can lose weight. Many of you may be in the skinny tummy challenge and you're looking for something that is low in calorie but high in fiber so you can lose weight. Or if it's cold, this is a perfect soup for you. So watch me as I prepare it. Now I'm going to cut my garlic. Garlic here has lots of health benefits. Health benefits like it can help you to lower your cholesterol. It's amazing. It can also work on your immune system, cardiovascular health. It also has effect on decreasing cancer cell growth. So I'm using garlic. I'm also going to be using onions and garlic. They're from the same group. They have allicin, which is essential for good health. I'm using sweet potato. Sweet potato, these are high. This is high in fiber. I'm using red bell pepper. Red bell pepper also has a lot of vitamin A and also good for you if you're trying to fight cancer, if you're trying to lower your weight. Now, this is a cruciferous vegetable. This cauliflower here has a lot of health benefit. I'm gonna put these all together and you're gonna see the result. So let me start. This is gonna be a sheet pan recipe. I'm gonna put all my ingredients on my pan here, and then I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna return and you're gonna see the effect. So you get your pan. You're just gonna add a small amount of olive oil. I'm gonna be cautious with the oil, just a small amount. Now I'm gonna add everything, okay? I'm starting first with the cauliflower. Then I'm going to go with my orange potatoes here, the sweet potato. A lot of beta carotenoids, great for the eye. And then I'm going to go with my onions. Let's put the onion here. I'm using one onion. And of course, my garlic, lots of garlic. We're going to bake the garlic there, and then my bell pepper. Arrange them nicely here on my sheet. Now I'm gonna bake this. Of course, I'm gonna put some spices here. My vegan spices, all mixed up together here. And I am gonna bake this. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. Bake for about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's see what happens. Vegetables are baked. Now it's time to put them in the pot and we are gonna blend. Adding the sweet potato first, all roasted. Then the cauliflower. It might not look pretty now, but it's going to be delicious. All right, now for my coconut milk. Coconut cream, actually. Okay, and then I'm going to add some broth. Now for some spices. I'm just gonna add some of the spices I have here. Okay. Now with our immersion blender, we're gonna blend. Our sheet pan sweet potato cauliflower soup is ready. It is so creamy. I can imagine the taste. I'm gonna serve myself some and see how delicious it is. There we go. And let's try this. Very good.